welcome back. I'm Beyond Awesome and this is
Queen Deborah. This is my debut actually. This is my first time on camera, so
welcome.
I'm a little bit shy, but you know, we'll make getting puffy.
Okay guys, so let's get straight into the video. Today is a mukbang and guess what we're eating?
Egusi
Hey!
and candle. We're gonna make you guys mouth water, so you know, try to grab something to eat so you don't like get hungry.
Alright. Let's show them the food. Yum.
Can you see it?
Delicious. I can't wait to eat.
So the Titus, the goat meat.
Goat meat.
And
sorry,
there's
some people that don't eat, animals.
Yeah.
So
like the Muslims, they don't eat pigs.
I know,
Because they see it as unclean. But whatever, we're gonna eat it.
Okay.
So we also have Malta Goya in Nigeria. Isn't it called Malta Guinness or something?
Yeah, in Nigeria they have Malta Guinness, but here I think they only have like Malta Goya.
This is like the closest to what we know, and it tastes really good anyway.
Really good. It be busting.
Yeah, we're gonna use it to step
Bust down.
You know. We also have our Omi shower. This is what we rinse our hands in. You know, we have to be hygienic.
COVID,
right?
Gotta wash those hands, people.
So we have to wash. She's very goofy. Don't mind her.
Oh boy.
We have to wash our hands before we start eating. So let me show you the pound dough yam.
I ain't showing you nothing. I'm putting mine on my plate.
Look how good it looks. Nice.
I'm not showing you nothing. I'm hungry.
Fluffy. So just. You're in primary school.
Oh yeah.
Bless this. Did you go to primary school in Nigeria?
Yes, I did.
Are you serious?
Yes.
Okay, do you remember?
I think so. If not, I'll chop nuts.
Bless this food.
Oh Lord, for Christ's sake.
Amen. Jesus, come and eat.
Satan, go away.
Amen. And there's only one we usually do.
Some have food but cannot eat. Some can eat but have no food. We have food and we can eat. Glory be to thee, O Lord. Oh, Christ. Okay, I'm hungry.
Cheers.
The first time I saw this thing here, I tried to use my teeth to open it. For real. I know.
They could have done something like that. Okay, I'm hungry. Let me stop talking. Let me show you guys. See, this is a scoop of egusi. Look at that oil. Can you see?
Use palm oil.
Yeah, I use palm oil. What do you think about it?
Oh my god, it's delicious. Like the spice is just right.
Much scotch bonnets, because I know some people don't like very spicy food, but I really do. So I try to be considerate sometimes, you know, when I'm cooking for other people. I try to reduce the.
Like she said, sometimes.
Yeah, you know.
She put her leg into this food.
Really tasty.
I'll say that. Really one be.
I never tried Nigerian. She also tried jollof rice. I know jollof rice is like popular, but there's so many other Nigerian food that people don't know about. You should try. Well, it's spicy. So you said something that they canceled your flight.
Oh yeah. I was supposed to travel, guys, but that got canceled.
Yeah,
COVID-19.
Unfortunately.
I don't know.
Just
Gonna go away before summer. Hot girl summer is looking terrible right now.
What can we do?
But stay home, guys. You know, stay safe.
And everyone can go back to their
normal lives.
Everyday
so we
activities.
can travel, so we can be out there. I actually miss getting on the train.
I know.
And seeing people.
Morning. And I get back bay.
I know.
Like, where's your card? Everyone, conductor, you bring out your card.
Tickets, please.
Oh, you're lucky. Like when you're coming back, you board from South Station, right?
Yeah.
I board from Robos, and then the train is already like too full. So
you have to stand.
That's the sad part. Like coming back after.
I go sitting.
I know. I'm like,
I'd rather stand.
Me too.
This food is so good. I'm so sorry, guys. Like, I love food. Like,
food is life. I'm thinking I'm going to postpone my summer body because I don't even know if this COVID will.
Let us have the summer bodies.
No, let's enjoy our life. Postpone it to next year. Oh. We haven't planned on going hiking.
Very soon.
I've never tried it. Have you tried it?
No, never. I don't think I have. Can't remember.
You can't remember?
With this food,
gone, like some joint
I can't remember.
hiking was like back in Nigeria when we used to go to like
okay.
So
that's what I say. I don't know.
On top of the
She's your girl.
probably open like a YouTube channel or something.
Yeah, she needs to open a YouTube channel. Cooking. She needs to show us how she makes this soup and many others that she makes.
Yep.
You guys are probably asking, can I cook? Maybe,
She
maybe
can
not.
actually cook. She made mine like some days ago. It was really, really nice.
Maybe, maybe not. I don't know. Depends on my mood.
She's a good cook.
I don't know. I don't care.
I'm one eating the food, so you better judge.
I know some people ask about the Scotch egg recipes on my Instagram. So we actually
has like some secrets behind it.
So we need to actually post the recipe.
Don't judge
the right recipe.
True, yeah. You have to look for the right recipe. That's why when you see stuff on Instagram, you shouldn't always judge it by
the way it looks.
The way it looks. Angles matter in everything. And the Scotch egg we did was kind of like burnt, but the way we like arranged it to take a picture, it came out really nice. So,
but it tasted good.
But it tasted good, yeah. It tasted really good. But it wasn't perfect the way we wanted it to be.
Yeah.
It was alright. I like it scarf. Where did you get it from?
AliExpress.
That was the place. Seriously, guys, if you don't shop at AliExpress, what are you doing?
I mean, what are you doing? Back. Like we never left. The camera went off for a few minutes. But as you can see,
we did justice.
We did justice to this food. This is done.
So full.
I'm done. I am full. And I feel like I need to work out ASAP, which we'll be doing tomorrow morning.
I'm just gonna go sleep right now.
I'm gonna go take a nap.
I'm so tired.
But
this was a nice meal. What do you think?
I rate this a 10. What would you rate this?
10.
10. I rated it a 10. This is actually good. We need to do something like this again. I don't know what we'll be doing.
Yeah, maybe, I don't know, take out something.
Yeah, maybe something else.
Yeah, we'll think about it.
We'll think about it. And we'll be back. She might have her channel by then.
Yeah.
Maybe not. We don't know. But you guys will catch us when? Whenever.
Whenever. Yeah.
Whenever. Bye!
The title. I said titles. Look at the titles. Look at the fish.
Action.
Hi guys, welcome back. I know it's been a long time. This is Glenn Deborah and
sorry you guys, my first time on camera, so
what's all this now?